Ever wondered how big e-commerce stores effortlessly increasing their sales with virtual try-on clothes? It's simple, they use AI. Today I will show you exactly even how the small stores can use the try-on technology to increase their sales without spending big budget. Research shows stores using virtual try-on clothes dramatically boost conversions. Walmart's recent AI-powered try-on tool drove massive customer engagement. Fashion retailer Vila Romana used similar tech and saw conversion rates triple. But if you are a small e-commerce store owner or dropshipping business, expensive photoshoots and professional models aren't realistic. Your pain points, high cost, complexity, and limited resources make adopting this tech seems impossible. Here's the good news, you can easily offer the virtual try-on clothes using AI. No photoshoots or technical skills involved. Let me quickly show you how to create a professional visuals using one simple AI tool. First, I upload my basic product image. Then I select the realistic AI models to visualize my product instantly. Within seconds, I have high quality try-ons ready for Instagram ads or my product listings. For example, see this particular Amazon store product listing. This particular image is very flat. There is no virtual try-on. So what I am going to do, I just copy this, save this image in my local and come to this secret AI tool. As a first step, just upload that product image. That product image is getting uploaded. While it's getting uploaded and by removing that image background automatically, I'm just trying to select the templates from the public template which has 5000 plus templates. So I just click the woman's top, then pick any one of this. In this case, I'll just go with this one. Click use. So now that image gets uploaded. Now the second step, we have uploaded that public template also. The third step, what we need to do, just draw on this image wherever we want to replace the clothes. So here I just put this, just drag this. So that's it. So simply press generate. Then it will start to generate the images and applying this particular dress on this model for create the virtual try-on clothes. Let me stop it first, and once it's get generated, I will show you. Okay, now that AI tool has generated that product image with applying that virtual try-on on this, but we are going to enhance this product image with an AI video. For that, simply click that image to video, and that default prompt has given here. If you want to change this prompt, just use your own prompts and click image to video. So now that video is getting generated from this image, so it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video until it gets generated. Once it's ready, I will show you how it looks like. The video is getting generated. I will just play this video. You can see how it's. With these visuals, your product pages looks professional, trustworthy, and attractive, exactly what converts browsers into buyers. When you use AI for product photos, your store stands out from competitors instantly. Now imagine leveraging these images and visuals on your Instagram ads. High quality visuals created with AI boost clicks, lower ad cost, and help you reach more buyers instantly. If you are looking to create your own virtual try-on clothes, today use this AI tool, that Product AnyShoot. So I have given the link down below this video. If you click that link, it will take you to this sales page. So here they are using, this is not only creating the virtual try-on for clothes, you can create the virtual try-ons for furniture, fridge, sofa, and even pets also you can do it, right? So these are all the samples what they have done. They just simply showing it. So here you see the piercing, the dresses, the cats on bed, and so many other things is also there. So to know more about this product, just click the link that I have given down below this video and learn more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are like this video and if you think that information what I have said is valuable, please share this to your friends and family, and also like this video. If you are seeing my channel very first time, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.